Today we're ditching those difficult to use ratchet straps and upgrading to a simple push to tighten or loosen trailer strap from Wildares. And they come shipped to your door, ready to secure down your things as well. Inside the box, you have 4 10-foot trailer straps. The straps are made out of a durable nylon webbing and have a heavy-duty cam buckle. Below, it has a soft pad to keep your items safe from scratches. And they're so easy to use. You just push and hold down the button, slide in the strap, and pull it through. Then when you release the clamp, the teeth hold into the strap and secure your item down. Then when you're ready to release it, you push the button again and slide out the strap. Each strap has a braking strength of 1,500 pounds, and all 4 combined has a braking strength of 6,000 pounds. So I brought it out and gave it a test. First, I used it to secure a grill I was building to my gorilla cart, and everything held in place, even during the off-roading. After I finished building it, I strapped it down and brought it back to the house, and the straps work wonders. Then I used the straps to secure down a broken desk and take it to the curb. It had a broken glass top, so we had to be careful. But this guy was super thankful to get himself a new desk, and didn't cut his hands at all. Later, I was building a survival shelter for a video, and used 2 straps to hang the support beams. And they were able to hold a ton of weight, enough to make a nice debris shelter and survive through the night. The next day, I was filming for an e-bike, and used the straps to tie down a camera on the back. I was cruising through the trails. It was quite bumpy, but the camera held in place and got some really cool shots. So yeah, I'm loving my new trailer straps, and obviously have been using them for so much more than trailers. They've come in handy so many times over the past few days, and I can't wait to see how they'll help me in the future. So if you're looking for an easier solution to those stupid ratchet straps, these trailer straps from Wildares might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go hang out in my survival shelter some more. It's still holding strong. See ya.